Okay, it's 11 o'clock, deer hunting on a Thursday. It's about 35 degrees and I'm taking a break. I'm gonna make this video of this deer blind or shooting stand, and it's 35 degrees out. It's kind of breezy, it's kind of cold. My pockets are just full of these hand warmers to keep my hands warm, and it's been a fun hunt, even though I saw just a buck way off in the distance, but nothing up close where I could shoot at it. I'll flip the camera around. There's what I'm looking out at, and the inside of the shooting stand. There's the 270 Winchester. The stand is big enough for 2 chairs. There's looking out the back. There's the little door to climb up in. The other side of those trees are the neighbors. And we'll look down range. My cousins put in this food plot. Some years it's wheat. This year it happens to be corn. And they had to cut those lanes in it so you can see what you're shooting at. Mostly I saw squirrels. Squirrels love this corn. Most of them were right down in here, making a lot of racket. Kind of looking for one now. Big old gray squirrels, big fat ones. There's the road I came up on. This farm was bought by my grandpa in 1939. My dad grew up on it. This is the last field up on the hill. Down at the very end down there, past those woods and down into the valley, is a cave. Pretty neat cave. I might even walk there, take a look at that. There's neighbors way off in the distance. Just look straight down. Guess I'm about 15 feet up. Even if I don't get a deer, I love hanging out in this place. The view is just amazing. I'm nice and comfy, other than being cold. And, oh man, just look at that view. Crazy beautiful. Oh, try again this afternoon.